Today I hope to give you solution for the blue screen error after battery replacement of your laptop computer. First of all, you can turn on the machine. I hope to show you such error. You have to wait several seconds because your laptop is loading. Now you can see Windows is starting to load. You can see it just like this with blue screen restarting error. First of all, you can press F8 key. It means safe mode key. You have to wait several seconds and you can repeatedly do this because some laptops accepting repeatedly process. You can see here this is Windows safe mode. You can see some menu. I hope to select automatic restarting error stop on startup failure. Okay, you can see a problem has been detected. Windows has been shut down. So I hope to manually shut down machine just like this. Now I hope to turn on the machine and I hope to press F2 key. This is BIOS key because this is Dell laptop. It is accepting F2 key for the BIOS setup, but it will change laptop by laptop because some laptop it is F1 or any key, BIOS key. So you can see BIOS menu. I hope to show you system configuration and SATA operation. You can see it has been changed. I hope to change it to AHCI function and I hope to apply and exit. It will automatically restart it. Don't worry, don't turn off your computer, it will automatically restart it. You have to wait several seconds. Now you can see the logo is loading. It means laptop logo is loading. You have to wait several seconds. It will start. Don't worry and don't turn off your computer. You can see here Windows is loading. Start Windows normally. It means it has some small error because your laptop shut down unauthorizedly. You can see Windows is starting. Don't worry, don't turn off your computer. You can see Windows is loading very well. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. I hope to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new technical updates.